Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can manipulate a photo in Canva, right? How you can add photo manipulation effect in Canva. As you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now I'm going to the elements and here I will just select this photo. Okay, you can upload your own photo as well. Now we are just removing the background. Okay, now we are just resizing this image as per our requirement. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to search for sky, right? Going to photos and here you will find some good sky images, right? For example, I have chosen this one. Now we are just sending this backward. Send backward, right? So that let me resize as per the template, right? So that it fits good. Layer, send backward. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and search for face. Okay, and here there are many faces. So I like this face. Okay, remove the background. So put over here, send it back. Layer, send backward. So I like this face as well. Okay, no issues, my dear friend. Place it over here and click on triple dot, layer, send backward. So I want bubbles as well. Okay, bubble, graphics, select the bubbles as well, right? We'll place it later. Okay, let's search for face image again. Go to photos. We want a long face. Okay, let's select this one and use the PG remover. Okay, now let's duplicate it. Okay, send this backward, layer, send backward, layer, send backward. Okay, now we have to place it over here, right? Okay. So in this manner, you can simply create a good photo manipulation effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.